Today we're going to run through some examples of how you can edit, copy, or delete a payment recipient. So to get started, we need to visit the Recipients tab, which is here. Now, let's say, for example, I've set up a new recipient without realizing that they already exist. As you can see here, I've got two companies called Yacht Supplies. So what I want to do is just delete the new one that I've set up so that we don't have duplicate data. So in order to do that, I just simply click on the recipient and then I click this delete button right here and then confirm, and that's done. So that one's disappeared. What I can also do if I click on this recipient now is just to update some of the information. So for example, if I know that the contact on the account has changed or maybe some of the address information is incorrect, I can update that. So all I do is click on edit and then we can edit the address here. So let's just update the postcode and confirm. And I can also update the contact email address here. And then while I'm in here, I've also noticed that the default payment reason is wrong. So I'm going to also change that to payment of invoice. So that all looks good now. I'm happy with those changes. So I just need to click confirm. And that's all been updated. So the last thing that I want to do is copy this payment recipient to my other Centtrip accounts because we want to pay this recipient from those other accounts as well, not just this one. And I don't want to have to go through the process of setting up the recipient on every single one. So all I do is click this copy button here. And then I simply select which accounts I want to add them to. And I'm going to select all of them. And then this just asks me to confirm. And then I just need to verify the setup of those new recipients using one of these authentication methods. I'm going to select SMS and then send code. So that message has now come through to me, so I can simply enter that here. And then click confirm. And that's all done. So that recipient has now been added to all of my accounts I've selected. I've deleted the duplicate recipient and I've updated some of the information.